How to remove someone from share list on TikTok. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up TikTok, and then once you open up TikTok, what you can do is you may tap on the profile in the bottom right corner. And one of the easiest way in order to do is basically just unfollow them or not stay friends with them. So for that, what you can do is simply head over to following or also your followers and locate up the following of followers that you want like on your list. So head over to their profile, and after that tap on this profile settings, and after that we have this unfollow button. Tap on it. After tapping on it, confirm that you want to unfollow that person, and once you do that, you may also remove that follower as your friend. So tap on the three dot right beside it, and we have this remove this follower option. Tap on it and confirm that you want to remove that person. After doing so, when you go ahead and tap on your home and try to share a video like this by tapping on the share button, if you're looking for that person in the list, you won't be able to find it. So the only method you can apply up in order to do that is just go ahead and look up to your following list and unfollow the people that you would like to remove from your share list on TikTok. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.